और ये मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यही कर सकता हूँ. Well, ladies and gentlemen, and I would request you to come over here as well. वाह, ये छोटी सी परफॉर्मेंस थी. अब ये और भी होगी क्योंकि कोलंबिया से आए हैं हमारे दो दोस्त और दोस्तों को करते हैं सलाम. सादिया, कैसे आपने एंजॉय किया?
मैंने बहुत एंजॉय किया और मैं जब से हम तैयारी कर रहे थे कि कियाना फॉक्स ने हमें ज्वाइन करना है, हमें जूडी ने ज्वाइन करना है, हमें केविन ने ज्वाइन करना है. वी वर सो एक्साइटेड टू हैव देम ऑन दिस stage and actually see Judy perform. Judy, you were wonderful, absolutely stunning. Your dress and every way you have performed, it was a wonderful experience to see. It was a delight.
Thank you so much. We really love the culture of Colombia and we are so happy to bring it here to Pakistan.
Kevin, it was wonderful to welcome you at the same time over here and it's good to see you. How is so far the experience for you in Pakistan? Have you been able to perform so far?
Yes, we performed last night with the whole crew. Overall, it's, I mean, heart-taking. We having so much good time. We love you people. I mean, you're so welcoming and so warm with us. Everyone is taking care of us so very well.
And I hope you have got your hand on the spicy food. That
yeah, we did.
Yeah?
We did.
What's the situation of food back there in Colombia? Is it the same
Is it
spicy
spicy?
thing?
No. Actually, we don't eat that at all.
You don't eat spice at all?
Yeah, but some of us are used to because we travel internationally, so we take some food from here and there, and some of us really like the spicy, and we love the food.
Okay, let me talk to Judy. Judy, how's your experience over here? How is Pakistan and Karachi welcoming you?
No, this really is a very nice experience. Everything, like he say, people is all humble, and this connect us to Colombia, to our country. We feel at home actually because it's really
so
the
wonderful.
same feeling. Like everyone is, involved with the hospitality, and we really enjoy so much. It's really nice experience from.
And Judy, there was one thing that was coming in my mind. There are other countries and there are other cultures that are welcoming you, and we are welcoming a lot of other cultures in Pakistan as well. Have you been able to so far see Pakistan's folk dance?
Yes, actually, before our show,
Yes.
we have the opportunity to see the dance, folk dance. I love it. It's
Right.
really amazing, and they did really nice.
Do you remember anyone's dance step from there?
Meanwhile,
But I can't do it.
What I request is मैं प्लीज करूँगा कि भाई कोई सिंधी गाना जो है हम सिंध में रहने वाले सिंधी मेहमान नवाजे सारे उसको जरा रेडी करके रखिएगा. अगर हमारे पास टाइम होगा तो पहले तो हम we'll try to learn from Judy. We'll try to learn from Judy a bit of
any one of the steps
By the
that
way,
she can teach us.
what dance form is this called?
This dance is called Danza del Negro.
Danza al Negro. Yeah? Okay, so can you
Wow.
teach me a bit of al Negro?
Of course.
Okay. Okay, Sadia, आप commentary कर सकते हैं, please. Or meanwhile, okay. So what should I do? See, I don't have this long frock, the vibrant green white
Is
frock
there a
that you
male
have.
version of these
Yeah.
steps that he could do with you?
Yeah, it's actually it's a partner.
It's a couple dance.
dance.
Wow.
So
Okay.
we have,
Okay, so please start.
no, for you.
Yeah.
We don't have the hat. But
Okay, I'll imagine the hat.
Imagine that you have
Imagine the
hat
hat.
and just up.
Up and down. Up and down. ये तो मेरी अच्छी exercise हो गई है.
Have to move like forward, back.
Forward and back and forward and back and back. That's easy. ये कोई इतना मसला नहीं है ये. Yeah? हम सिंध में रहने वाले सिंधी मेहमान नवाजे जी. यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी मेरी माजूरी है. ये वाला मैं नहीं कर सकता शायद. Okay, let me talk a bit more. So this art and culture festival that is happening in Arts Council. What message would you like to give to the world about this? Pakistan is welcoming for the art and culture, so please.
Okay, as I was telling you, this festival, I love the thing is because you want guys to involve everyone together, and the diversity in the world in only one place, that is amazing. That is amazing. The message I can give is like continue doing, because this festival really is a really nice experience for everyone outside of the country coming here and enjoy really nice experience with everyone. Like
Okay. तो जूडी ये कह रही हैं बहुत अच्छा लगा पाकिस्तान आके और पैगाम ये पूरी दुनिया को कि पाकिस्तान बहुत ही डाइवर्सिफाइड है, आएँ और पाकिस्तान को मज़ीद वेलकम करें. One last moment from you and then we'll close the show with
those dance steps.
We all be doing that. That was an easy one.
I think I would put it through. Rise, if I'm not taking the name wrong, that is, it means roots. Right?
Correct.
Right. Just tell us a little more, and with that comment, we would like to move forward
Absolutely.
to our dance.
Well, the idea through Raiz, which means roots, is to not forget where we come from.
Where we belong.
Yes, where we belong. And as in Colombia, we have different races that merge together. We have richness in our culture, and it's our heritage. So Cayena wants to give honor to those roots and to present to the world what is our rice, what is our root, and that's what we want
Where
to
we
present
belong.
there, where we belong.
तो
Absolutely.
अपने कल्चर और रूट्स को नहीं भूलना चाहिए. With that, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are playing the track and the mics are here. The mics are here. Please track
We
को
would
play
all
करें.
like to
And
have
you know
a
what?
step forward.
I know it's not in this, but I can do cha 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 cha. So please, ladies and gentlemen, please play the track. और उसके साथ ही हम आपसे लेंगे इजाज़त. Thank you so much. And there you go. We play it 3, 2, 1.
Here's the track.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए.